You ever wonder what a lop-eared bunch of varmints are like when they're at the feeding trough? This is maintenance day, feeding trough with the lop-eared varmints of maintenance day. Check this out.
That's the only carbs I eat on a daily basis. Yeah.
Well, this is 2019.
Typically, I'll just
Maintenance day. Maintenance day 2019. Most people get really mad when you film, when you video them when they're eating. Hey, any rattlesnake in there? Vaz, any rattlesnake in there? No.
I should be eating more broccoli. It's good for you.
So then we got the group that really they're not non-social. It's a Canuckian thing.
No, it ain't. Half Canuckian.
Half Canuckian. Come on, let's go find out. Let's go see how it's served. We'll make this real short. We'll make this real short because I'm hungry too. Oh, yeah. For me? No, for me. Mind your own business, fuck.
And what do you got in your mouth?
You got a cigar.
That's my cigar that I'm working on. After lunch, I'm going to light it. It's restful, all right. So we're going to go in here and just do a real quick video of the food.
Okay, get some food.
There you go.
You doing shoes off? Eileen, you doing shoes off? Okay. We can find some food. We can find some food somewhere, can't we, Ron?
Instructions that said no eating or coffee, no nothing for 4 hours before. So I got up here this morning.
Kiss your what?
Yeah. I got to 5. I went to my doctor's appointment. I finally got home. I got there at the end about 11:30.